Hey, hi, hello friends. Today I will discuss the paper Rashtrabhasha Praveen Uttarard 2. Okay, so the question paper is of February 2021. Question number 1. किन्हीं दो प्रश्नों के उत्तर कम से कम 50-50 पंक्तियों में लिखो. Okay, wow, great. So we have to write any two of the following in 50-50 lines. Okay, पंक्तियां, lines. 30 marks. That means each carries 15 marks. Fair enough. Number 1. साहित्य शब्द की व्युत्पत्ति बताकर साहित्य की परिभाषा लिखिए और साहित्य के व्यापक और संकुचित अर्थ स्पष्ट कीजिए. Okay, so the question says explain literature and its words, origin, explain the definition of it with the comprehension, in short, with clarity. Number 2. साहित्य का प्रभाव समाज पर पड़ता है, इस उक्ति का तर्क संगत विवेचन कीजिए. So it says that explain the literature's impact on the society and the utterance of the logical interpretation of the same. Question number 3. काव्य की आत्मा के बारे में भिन्न भिन्न आचार्यों के मतों का परिचय दीजिए. Explain the different opinions from the poet, the soul of the poetry. Give the introduction as well. Question number 4. काव्य किसे कहते हैं? भारतीय और पाश्चात्य दोनों मतों का उल्लेख करते हुए सम्यक विवेचन कीजिए. What do you know by poetry? Explain the Indian and Western tradition of writing. Give the interpretation in timely manner and the traditions. Question number 2. किन्हीं दो रसों को सुधारण समझाइए. Explain different emotions of any two of the following for 10 marks. That means each carries 5 marks. One is Shringar Ras, number 2 is Karun Ras, number 3 is Veer Ras, number 4 is Raudra Ras. Shringar is beautifying, Karun means empathy, Veer means courage, and Raudra means anger. Question number 3. किन्हीं दो अलंकारों को सुधारण समझाइए. Explain any two of the following figures of speech. Alankar means figures of speech. Okay, number 1 Anupras, number 2 Yamak, number 3 Slash, number 4 Vakrokit. Okay, this for 10 marks. That means each carries 5 marks. Question number 4. किन्हीं दो छंदों के लक्षण सुधारण समझाइए. So it says that write the prosody of any two with the symptoms of the following: Chaupai, Rola, Barvei, Doha. So Chaupai is 4-liners and Doha is 2-liners. We have to write accordingly. Okay, each carries 5 marks. These are the kind of the writing style of the poetry or the prosody. किन्हीं दो प्रश्नों के उत्तर लिखिए. So this is question number 5. Write two of the following. There are 4 they have given. ज्ञान विज्ञान के विविध क्षेत्र भाषा विज्ञान को किस प्रकार प्रभावित करते हैं, विवेचन कीजिए. So the first one is interpretation. We have to write about the knowledge science and different channels of and how they impacts. We have to write it. Question number 2. भाषा की उत्पत्ति के संबंध में प्रचलित विभिन्न मतों का उल्लेख करते हुए प्रतिपादित कीजिए कि उनमें कौन सा मत समीचीन है. Question number 2 says that explain the origin of languages and related usability in different sectors and the opinions of the writers. Explain the profound examples with the best accurate medium of the language. Number 3. भाषाओं का आकृति मूलक या रूपात्मक वर्गीकरण प्रस्तुत करते हुए उसकी समीक्षा कीजिए. Explain the languages based on their structure and the appearance, different characterization and write review about. Number 4. देवनागरी लिपि के नामकरण के विभिन्न आधारों पर प्रकाश डालते हुए उद्भव और विकास का विवेचन कीजिए. So we have to write about the terminologies based on देवनागरी लिपि and its different bases. We have to shed some light on the origin and development interpretation. Question number 6. किन्हीं दो पर टिप्पणियां लिखिए. Write your comments and arguments on two of the following. That is for 10 marks. That means each carries 5 marks. Devi Utpatti Siddhant. So we have to write about the principle based on Devi Utpatti. Number 2. यो है वो वाद. So we have to write the debate between yo, he, ho. Number 3, khadi boli. Number 4, Hindu or Urdu. So we have to write about Hindi and Urdu. So friend, this was the question paper of Rashtrabhasha Praveen Uttarard 2, February 2021. If you want answers of the same, please comment me, and till then, good luck for your career and exams. Take care of your health. All the best. Bye bye.